What is up and welcome to another video. My name is Chill. Join me today, guys. I hope you had a great weekend and happy Monday. It's the start of the week. So we are going to talk about Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, if you have watched my previous stream, guys, Bitcoin has finally reached the first target. And right now, we are bouncing up a little bit. And if you have missed my previous short entry point for Bitcoin, and if you have watched my previous stream, I have shared with you another entry point right there, and we got a beautiful drop from that resistance level. And also we'll talk about Solana. Solana flipped BNB today, guys. And we'll talk about some of the meme coins that could possibly do 100x. So if you're ready, let's dive right in.
All my fellas. 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 All my fellas.
All right. So first of all, thank you so much, guys, for all the new subscribers in the channel. And we have seen a fantastic growth, guys, in the past 15 days. Magnificent. So look at this chart, guys. So my subscribers, I don't know if you can share, look at this line now. So let me zoom it out. So let me hide this one first. All right, so as what you can see here, February 27, I am at around 7,800 subs, guys. And in less than 30 days, we have gained almost 4,000 subscribers. So this is unusual, guys. This is unusual for my channel because usually there's like around maybe 500, 200 to 500 in every 30 days. And right now we have skyrocketed to 4,000 subscribers in less than 15 days. So thank you so much. I really appreciate all your support. And if you are making money about the analysis that I'm making on this channel, don't forget to smash that like button. I really appreciate all your support. Subscribe to the channel, and if you are new and if you don't want to miss any of my important crypto and trade analysis, don't forget to smash that notification bell. Turn on your notification on your cell phone, guys, because last Saturday, I have shared one video about Boom, guys, the book of meme, and we made a significant amount of profit on that one. So let's talk about Bitcoin first. So if you have missed my previous entry point at $72,800 on my latest stream, guys, I've talked about this move here when Bitcoin was trading at 68,000. We spoke about this. I am expecting a bounce back up and a retest of this 200 exponential moving average at around $69,000 to $70,000. We got that beautiful bounce and rejection, guys. So look at this price action. And I've shared this one as well on my Twitter account.
Let's go.
So congratulations to those who were able to get into the trade. And by the way, thank you so much for joining me daily. We have Faisal is joining us on YouTube. We have also ASCE. Hi, HRU mate. How are you? All right. Imtiaz is also joining us on YouTube. Hello, Chill. XRP analysis, please. So we'll go check out XRP today. Let me just note it down. Let me just open up my notepad here. Notepad, all right. So chart request, we have XRP for today. All right. So if you have any questions, guys, clarifications, chart requests, drop them in the chat section down below. We'll try to check it. We'll try to find some good trades today. And I'm back on, like, we had a small getaway this weekend. I'm still very tired, but we're back. It's Monday. We're going to find some good trades. So going back to the Bitcoin's chart, so we have finally hit that short-term target at $65,000. And right now, Bitcoin is actually forming a higher lows here on the smaller time frame. So right now, we need to watch out for this very important short-term support. So in my own opinion, we are still trading on this range, guys. So from $67,000 up to $70,000. That will be the new range, trading range for Bitcoin right now. So this support right here, this support trend line is very important. So let's see if this support will be able to hold. This is going to be the major short-term resistance for Bitcoin. As what you can see, these are the most basic trade or technical analysis that you need to learn, guys. 200 exponential moving average. If you know how to use moving averages, you are already halfway there. So without any technical or indicator, paid indicators, you can actually just use the most basic one, moving averages. So if you know how to use moving averages, usually moving averages act as a support or resistance on your charts. So right now here, because the price is trading below that 200 exponential moving average, this moving average will act as a short-term resistance, guys. So let's see how many percent is this move, guys. So from this support, if we are going to get that bounce, that will give us around 2%. So if you are scalping or if you're trading smaller time frames, which I'm not doing, I'm doing swing trades. So I'm holding most of my trades like for 1 to 2 days, even a week, or some even months. So in this chart, shorter time frame, it is still likely that Bitcoin is going to retest this 200 exponential moving average one more time up to this resistance level here. We have this bearish order block here right now. This candle wick right here forms a bearish divergence or bearish order block. So we have sell orders, sell pressure at around 70,000 level. So this is the key resistance level that Bitcoin needs to break aside from this 200 exponential moving average. So short term, this is going to be my, if you're scalping, guys, this is going to be my trade setup for Bitcoin short term. So 1% risk versus 2% reward. So let's say up to this level right here. So that is going to be my trade setup for short term near this support trend line here up to this level here, up to 4%, up to 6%. So let's see how this trade is gonna play out, because right now we are seeing that short-term formation of higher lows, guys. So this is our first confirmation here, this candle right here. And we have actually a beautiful support trend line short term. But if you are going to zoom out to higher time frames, 4-hour time frames, our MACD is still looking bearish. We're approaching 0. And again, 0 is the short-term support. Let's try to zoom it in. So we are approaching this 0 level right now. So probably we'll get small-term support, and we'll see if we can get that 2% move in the short term. So short-term scalp long on this area. Again, all charts on CA are for educational purposes only and should not be considered as a financial advice. So let's see how this trade plays out in the short term, maybe at the end of the stream. Let's see if we can get that short-term bounce. By the way, I am still holding my short position, guys, and it is currently up by 70% using 10x leverage. So I am up by $7,000. So probably we'll take some profit here. So let me do advanced close. Maybe we'll close 50%. Let's just do market order for video purposes. So if you have watched my previous explanation about market order and limit order, I've explained there that you can actually save a lot on trading fees if you are going to use limit order rather than market order. But for video purposes only, we'll use market order on this one. So we'll close 50% of the position. And if you want to trade on Fairdesk, guys, it is very easy to create an account. It takes few minutes. Plus, you will get a trading bonus up to $30,000. So feel free to check out the link in the description down below. If you want to trade with me on Fairdesk, feel free to create an account, and I will be sharing my trade daily here on live stream, guys. So I'll take 50% of the profit. So as what you can see right now, we have this realized profit, realized P&L, $3,500. This trade is still running, still up by 70%, guys. So the reason why I closed this one, because again, I'm expecting a short-term bounce here up to 200 exponential moving average, 68,500 maximum, back to this 70,500 level. And of course, I'm looking at Ethereum, so maybe we'll open Ethereum trade today. So stay tuned for the rest of the video. And if you're enjoying this kind of content, smash that like button, guys. Support the channel and let's help me reach probably 50,000 or 100,000 subs by the end of this year. So let's see. So again, the book of meme, guys, we have talked about this last Saturday. And I told you on this video that I am expecting a bounce on this level here. We got actually a beautiful bounce, guys. So look at this chart right here. So book of meme, we got that beautiful bounce from 0.17 up to 0.24. I have actually made 1,000% on this trade, and I have shared this trade in our Discord community, guys. So this is the moment I have entered a long position at 0.018 on the book of meme. And that's what I've said. I'm posting a video shortly about BOEM. And I made a video. This was the video, guys. And I've explained on this video that I am expecting a short-term bounce near the support trend line. Support trend line here for BOEM. That was a beautiful support trend line. And of course, we have seen that bounce. So we made significant amount of profit on that trade. 81%, 100%, 300, 400, 500, 600, 900%. Good night. Enjoy your weekend. Time to sleep. So congratulations to all the members in our Discord community. BOEM was a beautiful trade under Solana. Oh, it actually went up to 0.24. So 1,000%, guys. 1,000%. Thanks for playing. BOEM. Secure some profit and continue to hold. All right. So right now, BOEM looking at this chart, it looks like that it is actually looks like forming a falling wedge pattern. And this was actually around 1 billion market cap when I made that video last Saturday, guys. So right now, the book of meme is down by 30%, but it is still overall up by 1,000%. And right now, I think, in my own opinion, we're approaching that support level, guys. Again, not a financial advice. Trading meme coin is like a gambling, guys. It's like gambling. TA doesn't usually work, but we have a confluence on this chart. So at around, what level is this? Let me find my price tool very quickly. All right, so price note. Right, so why is the chart like this? Let me just change this to price. All right, so around 0.011, I'm expecting we have actually a support here and a confluence. So horizontal support is in confluence with the support trend line on the 30 minutes time frame, guys. So right now we have this falling wedge pattern, and usually for falling wedge pattern, you can actually still go if you want to have a safer. So this is actually a zone. I'm looking at this zone right now. I don't have my phone with me, but this is the level that I am gonna go on a short-term long, guys. So probably we'll get a short-term bounce at around this level. So probably here, bounce. If we see that breakout, so this is going to be my first resistance, guys, near the resistance trend line. So that is going to be around 0.015. And if we get that breakout, then we'll be aiming on this next target here, the likely target, which will give us just around 0.018. So keep an eye on these levels, guys. Boom, the book of meme. Let's see if we can get that breakout from this falling wedge pattern. And if you know the chart patterns, if you have been trading chart patterns, you know that the ideal breakout target for the falling wedge pattern will be the top of the falling wedge pattern, which will give us 0.027. So that is going to be like medium to probably long term. Let's see how this trade plays out. But this will be invalidated. This is going to be my invalidation point here below this candle wick, guys. All right. Next support, just in case this support doesn't hold, then this is going to be the next level. Just so you know, the next support, just in case we break that support, guys. So this is going to be my next support here. All right, so I'm going to share this chart in our Discord community. So feel free to take a screenshot right now if you want to follow my trades. But again, not a financial advice.
Let's go!
All right. Boom, as per the latest stream. All right. So cold entries, please, from Faisal. We'll see if we still have time today. We'll check out Colt as well. Colt. All right. C. Liu. Hi. Can you check Dusk later if have time? Thanks. All right. So Dusk. BLP is a new meme from BRC20. Do you think we are going to see that shift, guys, from Solana back to BRC20? Because right now we're seeing BNB, guys. BNB, I think BNB is BRC. BRC20. Oh, look at that. So we got that beautiful bounce, guys. So beautiful bounce. If you're scalping, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful bounce near the support trend line. So let's see if we are going to hit that target. So beautiful trade. I want to talk about Ethereum, guys, because I'm supposed to go on long near this order block here, but we'll find new trades later. So this is what I'm supposed to do here. So let's go back on BOEM, guys. So BOEM, again, watch out for this falling wedge pattern. Ideal breakout target back to 0.027, likely target at 0.018, and support right now. We have a multi-confluence here, horizontal support, and the support trend line, the bottom of the wedge, which is around 0.011 up to 0.012. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and click that notification bell if you like this kind of trade setups. Barbara is also joining us on YouTube. Manpreet Baidwan, API 3. API 3, all right. We have also KM Del Rosario. Hello, Chill. Thanks for your lives. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. And thanks for joining me daily, guys. And congratulations to those who were able to get into the previous BOEM trade. Congratulations. Next one is, we'll talk about Solana, guys, because Solana actually flipped BNB, guys. So Solana is at number 4 right now, sitting at 91 billion market cap. So Solana, again, I've talked about this on my previous stream. Solana's price is driven by meme coins under Solana's ecosystem. So that is one of the topic that we are going to talk about right now. And actually yesterday, one meme coin have reached 500, or is it 1.5, 1.7 billion dollars in trading volume. And
Let's go!
I am talking about this meme coin, guys. Are you familiar with this logo or icon? So Slurf, guys, and actually there's a F up, and the reason for the drop, it actually pumped really, really hard. Well, never thought you'd get it in meme coins. So we'll talk about meme coins. So Boom made us a significant amount of profit yesterday. We'll talk about Slurf today. So Slurf, 1.7 billion in dollars, guys. 1.7 billion dollars in trading volume. But yesterday, there's a fuck up. One developer actually burned the liquidity pool. And look at this price right now. So Slurf, so here's the fuck up yesterday, guys. So according to one of the developer, guys, I fucked up. I burned the liquidity pool and the tokens that were set aside for the airdrop. So they burned the tokens that was supposed to be given out as an airdrop to those who have supported the project. And right now, so everyone gets the majority who supported the project didn't get anything, guys, because again, they burned the liquidity pools and the tokens that were set aside and supposed to be given out as an airdrop. So Mint Authority is already revoked, so I cannot mint them. So there's no chance that they're going to get back all those tokens. And right now, today we have seen that significant price drop, guys. So let's look at Slurf. So let me find it. It was actually trending today. So let's open up this one here. Let's find Solana. Solana's ecosystem. So Slurf is under Solana's ecosystem here. So it actually went down, guys. And right now the price is consolidating. So today it's still it is still considered as a micro cap. So what do you think, guys? Do you think, are we gonna see a 1 billion market cap for Slurp? And that is gonna be like 36369. Maybe 4x from the current level. And we have seen that drop yesterday because again, the one of the developers burned the liquidity pool, and that's the reason why the price have tanked. And so look at this, from 1.25 the price dropped down to 0.37. So let's see if we can get that bounce from the current support here, because right now the price has been consolidating, guys, consolidating on this level, and we're getting a little bit of momentum to the upside. So let's see. In my own opinion, because they are actually, the good thing about that, the good thing about it is they are transparent about what happened. So I don't know if they have shared the address where they burned the liquidity pool. If they share that one, and if you can verify it, then the good side is they're actually transparent. So probably we might get that bounce from the current level, because this is still a micro cap, guys. This is less than $300 million in market cap. So watch out for Slurf. It is actually trending right now. And in my own opinion, watch out as well for BNB chain, because we might see a shift, guys, from Solana going to other ecosystem. So right now we are seeing all the meme coins under Solana's ecosystem pumping left and right. So if you are going to open up your CoinGecko under Solana's ecosystem, you'll see that a lot of this meme coins like PETH, Bonk, Jupiter, Dog with Hat has been pumping as well. So there are a lot. Book of Meme, which pumped yesterday, is now down. But again, this is forming a falling wedge pattern. So watch out for Slurf and Boom. Again, not a financial advice. Trading meme coins are super high risk. So only trade what you can afford to lose. Sui from Achi. Let's go check out Sui as well if we still have time. So 33 minutes. So going back to the Bitcoin's chart. So Bitcoin is forming a rising wedge pattern, guys, on the 4-hour time frame. And we have this order block here, which Bitcoin's price previously got rejected from. And we have reached our short-term target, which is the $65,000. And we are seeing a small short-term bounce for Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin breaks that 70,000, this level right here, this is our first, let's go back, let's just use Fairness chart here. So if Bitcoin breaks above this level, guys, there is 60% chance that we might probably go back up to the previous level here, because we will flip. If that is going to happen, Bitcoin is going to flip this 200 exponential moving average, which is a significant level of support and resistance. So if that is going to happen, then that is our first signal that Bitcoin will probably gonna go up higher. But as long as the Bitcoin trade below the 200 exponential moving average, then in my own opinion, we could probably see Bitcoin drop to this level right here, 60,700 up to 61,500, which is our final target for this rising wedge pattern, guys. So the ideal breakout target for this rising wedge pattern will be the bottom of the wedge, which will give us 61,600 level. Ideal breakout target. So let's see if you're going to zoom out 4-hour time frame, bigger time frame, Bitcoin is still on a overall downtrend. But shorter time frame, we probably gonna see that short-term bounce using Fairness chart here, which we talked about earlier. So let's see how it plays out in the coming days. Let's go check out Ethereum, guys. So Ethereum, we have money flow on this level, bearish order block, but we have very loud order block discount zone at around 3,500. So I'm supposed to set limit order on this level here. We have actually this candle wick up to 3,200. But looking at the 1-hour time frame, we have a lot of order blocks here. And of course, our oscillator is already in the oversold area. So probably we'll get that short-term bounce. And again, if you have been following me on this channel, I've previously explained that Ethereum This looks like, if you're going to zoom out on the weekly time frame, this looks like a retest of the previous breakout point here. So probably this white level here, 3,400, 3,500, we might get a short-term bounce. So I'm going to set limit order on Ethereum, guys. So I'm going to set a limit order on Ethereum. So we have also our first higher lows on the 1 hour time frame. So 3,400, 3,400. Let's see if we can get a short-term bounce here. So long, stop loss, 4%. All right, so I'm gonna go on a long for Ethereum, guys. Near this level, this is gonna be a DCA long. Can explain it to you later. So first, let me go on a long position here. Let's say maybe 5x, all right. Isolated position. Let's do 2,000. So the profit I made on Bitcoin, I'm going to put it on Ethereum, guys. I'm going to go on a market long for Ethereum. And I'm going to set an additional limit order once we reach that 3,450. So DCA. All right. So I have set another limit order at around this level right here. So for Ethereum, if you're going to zoom out, let's go back to Ethereum's chart. Welcome, Andrej Kozak, joining us on Facebook as well. Also Rashad. Hey man, a bit late. You're actually pretty late, 40 minutes. But feel free to check out the previous analysis for the Book of Meme, Boom, and also Slurf and Bitcoin trade. So looking at Ethereum's chart, guys. Again, Ethereum's price action is 1 month lagging compared to Bitcoin's price action. So let's see if we are going to measure this swing low and swing high. So on the weekly time frame, it is likely that Ethereum could actually retrace based on this Fibonacci level. Ethereum could still actually retrace up to this level right here. So if that final shakeout is gonna happen, then it is still likely that Ethereum would drop back to these levels right here before going back up, because so what you can see on the weekly time frame, the oscillator has reached the overbought area. But short-term time frame, I'm looking at this level right here. So 5%. So this is going to be my trading range for short-term, guys. And I am expecting, if Bitcoin consolidates or move on a sideways channel or move up, then it is likely that Ethereum would probably bounce back up to 3,700. So this is the current trade setup. I haven't set a limit order or stop loss for this one yet. Let me share this in our Discord community. So that is going to be my trade setup for Ethereum, guys. So it looks like a symmetrical triangle pattern as well. So that's for Ethereum. Weekly time frame, these are the Fibonacci retracement levels. So watch out if you want to buy Ethereum for long term. These are going to be the DCA buy zones for spot. So these are going to be the DCA buy zones for spot. So if you have missed the previous buy zones, spot buy zones, 1,700 and 1,900 level, these are the next, guys. If we are going to see that final shakeout before the halving or pre-halving shakeout. So watch out for these levels right here. So Ethereum, ETH, spot, buy zone for pre-halving, pre-Bitcoin halving shakeout. All right. So next one, we'll go on chart request and Q&A. So if you have any questions, clarifications, drop them in the chat section down below, and we'll go check it out.
All my fellas.
Thank you so much for the new subscribers. All right, so we have Vibe, possible pump, Dusk. So I have my list with me here. We'll go check out XRP first, one of the blue chips. XRP, so we still have this multi-bullish divergence on the oscillator. And if you're able to catch our long position on XRP, congratulations. And I'm using, again, Chart Prime, guys. The indicator that I am using in majority of my charts is Chart Prime. You can actually take advantage of their 7 days risk-free trial. And if you are going to use my referral link in the description down below, you can get up to 50% discount. So this is actually one of the best paid indicators, guys. So here, using the indicator, you can see it can spot overbought area. It will show you if the crypto or token that you're trading is in the oversold area. If it's in the overbought area, you will be able to get notified if there are bearish or bullish divergences. Of course, you'll also spot the order blocks like this one. So very high order block, premium level, which means that Bitcoin on this level is on premium, guys, which means majority of the buyers in the market, which are buying Bitcoin at this level, they are paying premium. But once Bitcoin reaches this level right here, 50,000 level, which means if you are buying Bitcoin when the price drop to 50,000, that means you're buying Bitcoin at a discounted price. So if you are in a grocery, guys, the first thing that you want to do is to find good deals in the grocery, or even if you're going on shopping. The first thing that you want to do is to go and look for the best deal in the market. So using Chart Prime, you'll be able to spot the best deals. Not only in crypto, you can also use this because it is directly integrated in trading, in your trading view account. So you'll be able to spot if you are shopping for stocks, cryptos, commodities, forex, or whatever it is that you are trading. You'll be able to spot if the crypto or the stocks that you are trading is on premium or on discount zone. So if you want to accumulate more Bitcoin, wait for the price to reach the discount zone. So that's Chart Prime, one of the best indicator in my own experience. Let me know if you are using Chart Prime, guys. Let me know your experience in the comment section or in the chat section down below. So let's go back to XRP. XRP, we have a very beautiful support trend line at around this level. And on the weekly time frame, we still have this double bullish divergence, which is playing out. Oscillator is still above zero, which means we are still bullish, guys. And we are still forming this higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. So probably we'll see one more retest of this area right here before going up. So if Bitcoin, if we're going to see that pre-halving shakeout, this is going to be the level that you need to watch out for. But of course, you know, XRP is notorious, guys, for doing this candle wicks. XRP is wild in doing this candle wicks right here. So this is like 20% wick. All right, also another one right here. Crazy wicks for XRP. So watch out for this buy zone. And of course, this money flow. So we have a lot of limit orders at around this level. So DCA, this is going to be my DCA here. This DCA spot at 0.53, 0.5. And if we get lucky enough, then watch out for this level right here. This is the bullish order block level. You see this candle wick right here? When the price dropped to this level, it was immediately the buy pressure on this area was very high. That is why we have seen this candle wick and the price bounce back up immediately once it reaches this level. So I will be setting limit orders on this area right here for XRP. So that's on the weekly time frame. Smaller time frame, I would personally not trade XRP because, like, if you're trading leverage, you don't want to trade this kind of chart, guys. You don't want to trade this kind of wicks, all right? Because usually you would set your stop loss or limit order on a certain percentage. And if you're trading cryptos like this with wicks, like with 25% wicks, then that's very hard to manage your risk. So that's for XRP. Go check out. Let me share the chart, by the way, in our Discord community. So these are the three buy zones. XRP, pre-halving shakeout buy zones. All right. So next one is we have Colt. Let me see if I still have my Colt chart here. All right. I think this is using I think this is using logarithmic chart, guys. So beautiful. Possible another lower lows. So look at this price action, guys. I previously talked about Colt, and we got possible another lower lows. So this was the price action that I have previously talked about. And we have actually reached the short-term target, guys. So from this, look at that formation of lower low. It was lower low. Chart prime indicator showing lower lows signal here. And I was expecting a short-term bounce from this level right here, and then drop back to the support, and then bounce back up. We're actually up by almost 160 or almost 200%. We've been up by 270%. So we have hit our short-term target here for Colt, guys. Look at that. Colt manages to break this resistance trend line. And ideally, for this chart right here, the breakout target, this would be the likely target here for short term. So first resistance bearish order block will be on this level, guys. So right now, technically speaking, we have also very high order block on this level right here. So probably there is still a chance. Let's see the buy zones. If we use the Fibonacci retracement level. So we'll try to measure it from this previous low, and swing high. So these are gonna be the retracement level, guys. So probably we'll see that retest of the previous breakout point for Colt, guys. So again, all charts and TA are for educational purposes only. It should not be considered as a financial advice. So we have seen a confirmed breakout, guys. So this candle right here was the breakout confirmation, and look what happened. Look at this, 3 bullish candles, guys, 3 marching soldiers. So measuring it from the swing low up to the swing high, these are the important Fibonacci retracement levels. So if you want to buy spot, also money flow here in confluence with the 61.8 Fibonacci golden ratio, golden pocket, we have confluence here, guys. So previous resistance and money flow in confluence with the Fibonacci 61.8 at this level. So for Colt, these are going to be my... So I previously bought Colt at this level, guys. Bought $2,500 on this level. And this is going to be my buy zones or support retracement levels for Colt, guys. So short term 38.2, 50%, and 61.8. Again, if you want to wait for 61.8, so there will be higher chance at 38.2. You'll get higher chance, but of course, higher risk at buying at this level. 50% chance probably at around the 50% level. But of course, you need to wait. And there is a chance that the price would probably continue to move up before reaching this level. 61.8 will be the safest buy zone, or the Fibonacci golden ratio. If you can wait for this level, and if you can get into this entry, that will be the safest entry here in buy zone. But of course, there is lesser chance that the price would probably drop back to this level. So those are the things that you need to consider if you are trading, guys. You need to, if you want to wait for like safer entry point, if you want to wait for the price to drop back to this level, you might not get a chance. So those are the things that you need to consider in trading. You need to manage your risk always. And of course, if you're trading like meme coins, altcoins, high risk cryptos, you need to invest only what you can afford to lose, because crypto is highly volatile, guys. So I think that's it for now. What's the time check? It's already 1 hour. Time flies, guys. So I'm really sorry to all the chart requests that we haven't checked, but we're running out of time. It's we have been live for almost an hour. So thank you so much. It's Monday. We'll continue our chat, and I'm gonna continue to share with you the updates on my social media accounts. Thank you so much for joining me, guys. We have Abu Natalie, bro, market on ETH. Rashad, what's the target for ETH bull run? Probably the peak for Ethereum, I would probably say around 6,000. 6,000, that would be my target for Ethereum. And Dusk, we can check it today. Vi, we can also check. We can't check it because we're over time, 1 hour. Davide Volpato is also joining us. So thank you so much, guys, for joining me daily. I really appreciate all your support. We have gained significant amount of subscribers in the past 30 days. In the past 15 days, 4,000 additional subscribers. Thank you so much for all the trust. And feel free to join our public Telegram group, guys. I'm sharing updates, live updates in our free public Telegram group. And if you want to join our community on YouTube, feel free to join us, guys. And also in our Discord, where I'm sharing my live updates daily. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate all your support. And of course, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. And if you don't want to miss out on my latest trades and updates, don't forget to click that notification bell. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.